How to know your Netflix password after login. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can view your Netflix password once you're logged into your account. So, as you can see, I'm currently logged into my Netflix account on my mobile device. Now, if I want to view my Netflix password, if you go to the Netflix app, there you won't find any option on how you can view your password. So, to do this, you'll have to first of all open your browser and then go to netflix.com. and now if you are signed in to Netflix on your browser as well, simply sign out of Netflix and now you'll be taken to this login page. Now here you'll have to enter your email address or your phone number and then your password. So if you enter your email address first and then use the save information on Netflix, you will directly be logged into your Netflix account. But since we are here to view our Netflix password, we'll again sign out of our Netflix account, and now let's tap on sign in. Now once you're on this page, what you have to do to view your password is first of all not enter your email address or your phone number. So tap on password and then don't use your saved password. So let's back out and then let's tap on password again. Now just above your keyboard you'll see this key icon right over here, so tap on it and now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to select your saved password for your account, and now you'll be able to view the password for your account by simply tapping on the option so that is basically how you view your Netflix password even after you are logged into your account. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.